Well, of course. The previous owner balled out on this car. Kind of windy today. What's up, guys? It's your boy Lotte, back at it again with another vlog. I hope you guys are having a great day today. It is currently 1 p.m. right now. Just got my vlog uploaded and about to go to the gym. About to give you guys a nice little cold start. So I'm gonna get a workout in with them, and on my way there, your boy gonna drink. I've been wanting to try this pina colada bang. Let's see how this tastes. Good, really good. Not disappointed at all. You know what? It's nice today. I'm rolling with the windows down. All of them. Oh man, I can't wait to install my sound system. I already have everything. I'm just waiting for the freaking sub box and for... Oh damn. Gotta put my seatbelt on first. Hold on, guys. I'm just waiting for my sub box to come in and my amplifier, and we should call it a day. I am working out with Sergio. This guy's been killing it in the gym, so I was, you know what? It's time to step it up. I'm about to work out with my boy. 24 hour. We'll go ahead. This one opened like sometime this or last year. It's a new gym. Must be nice. Must be nice. Superman. We'll be working out today, Sergio.
Let's do some. I want to do arms, but we can do something else too.
I'm not for arms. Curls for the girls. Oh, you're drinking a bang too. Me too. Cheers.
Oh, it's money.
Goodbye, 24. Goodbye, Sergio. This guy freaking killed me, dude. Oh my god. I worked out for like 3 hours. It's good though. I'm gonna start taking this gym seriously now because I'm tired, dude. I need to get my body back. Well, now I'm gonna go over to the Zyde warehouse and help out with this trans, and then I gotta rush back, get ready, and go out for George's birthday. Because today is his birthday and I wanna spend it with him. Oh, careful, Sergio. Man, Sergio's car looks good. Well, let's go. I'm on a time crunch.
Eventually.
Alright, just got to the Zyde warehouse. About to help out my boy put this trans back up and then head on out of here because I gotta meet up with George. So I'm only gonna be here for like an hour. So let's see if we can just get straight to business. Hello? Hello? Let me in. Hi. Hi.
Hi again. There's that monster for you right there waiting for you in the fridge.
Really?
Yeah.
So are we ready to put up the strands? No? No? Ran into an issue? What?
The line we have to remove, it's hard to get to. It's a little stripped.
Oh, always problems. Alright, I'm gonna go home. Apúrate, baboso! Tus pinches mamadas. Cara de what the f. Hey, you have green coilovers, so they have to be tin? The good ones, though. Yes. Well, of course. The previous owner balled out on this car. Came with T37s, twin turbo, always Geiken, bash bar, roll cage.
Bose sound system.
Bose sounds, oh my god. It must be nice to buy a car that's built already.
Got not built.
Loser. Can't even drive around this car being proud.
I win a race, it doesn't.
I'm just kidding.
I win a race, it
yeah, if you win a race, the other guy gets the W, not you. I'm just kidding. It's still a sick ass car.
Just because we're just mad because we didn't find this deal.
I know. I would bought the shit too. Like, let me get that, bro. That's because you don't know how to drive. This shit would have lasted me a year. Just kidding.
Fuck no, this shit. The motor would have been blown already.
I would have had low compression already. And I would have had to change that trans like 5 times. You need some help, bro?
Bro.
I was like, I can't do anything. It's like, it's a one-man job right now.
Mm-hmm.
I feel useless. I'm just holding a camera here. Alright, love you guys. I'll be back. Alright guys, I gotta head out because I gotta meet up with George. I feel bad because I gotta leave on these guys, but they ran into a little problem. Freaking, they had to switch out the clutch line and I guess it stripped on them, so they're having a hard time taking it off. But I'm pretty sure they'll be here till 8, so I'll be back. I gotta head out.
1 hour later.
We were hiding it because you went to the restroom and you ruined it.
How is he, 16 or something?
24. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to George. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle like you blow me.
Is that good enough, George?
Yeah. For George, since it's his birthday. I just want to say thank you to all of you guys that said happy birthday to George. I saw all you guys' comments. Thank you. I appreciate that. You made him really happy. Now I'm at the gas station pumping gas. Damn, dude, I found myself putting a shitload of gas in this car. Pretty much. Pull-out game week this time. Your boy just got home. Let me give you guys a quick little update of what happened with my boy's slave. So I guess they got a defective one. I couldn't be there to help him out as much as I really wanted to. It's either George or them, and of course I'm gonna choose George. So sorry, Andy and my boy Joseph. I wish I was there to help. They bolted up the trans, and the slave went out. Defective slave. They were bleeding it and everything. They had it all done, and then it just started leaking out of nowhere. That freaking sucks, dude. Same headache I had when my Z was down. Really hope my boy George had a good weekend. I tried to make it as best for him as much as possible. A lot of things didn't go as planned. We had a lot of ups and downs, but not me and George. It's like our plans didn't go through how I wanted it to. But it ain't over. I told him next weekend we're gonna do something for sure. Yeah, I'm about to give you guys a cold start in my Z before I end the vlog, because I know you guys want to hear that cold start, because I know I do. Let's give you guys a cold start. Alright, say goodbye to her. Probably pull her out later down the week. Maybe tomorrow. Cool. If you're not a part of the Tech Fam, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're not supporting the movement, techlow.com. Merch link down in the description. That is it, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And guys, remember why you started.